I recently spoke to a youth leadership group, and I was deeply inspired listening to the dreams that the teenagers had for the future. While I was presenting, I felt the group of teenagers begin to realize that it is okay to dream and be proud of what you have done in your life and where you want to go in life. As adults, we need to realize that the power of a dream will enable you to achieve whatever your ultimate why in life is. By the age of 25, most people lose all of their dreams and fall into a rut. From the age 25 to 65, people generally go back and forth to work and say to themselves, I wish. If only I could have. If only I knew then what I know now. And numerous other lamentations as to why they do not feel fulfilled in life. The key in life to feeling fulfilled is to simply listen to your inner spirit and make your daily work in life something that you love to do and will help you achieve your dreams. The key word in that sentence is dreams. Too many people, when asked, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Give the answer, just let me make it to this weekend. The underlying reason that they don't know where they are going to be is because they have no dreams. This can be extremely frightening. Each of the teenagers that I spoke to this week has dreams for their life and where they see themselves in the future. As a professional speaker and business coach, my ultimate outcome is to empower people to find their why in life, to catapult them to attain their dreams in life. I also spoke to the group about how important it is to be around a mastermind team, which will push you on and let you know it is awesome you have a dream. As an overall population, over 95% of adults have no mastermind team, but they have a group of so-called friends who will tell every reason why they should never try to win and to just accept their life. You need to stop right now and take a personal inventory of your life and ask yourself 3 life-changing questions. 1. What is my why in life? Why am I getting up each and every day? 2. Who is my mastermind team? 3. Where do I see myself 2 or 5 years from now? When you answer these questions, you need to be honest with yourself and tell yourself the truth, because the truth shall set you free. The key to living a fulfilled life is waking up each day with a driving desire to achieve your why. The key to winning in life is to be part of a winning team and realize life decisions are challenging but very beneficial. Bring your dreams back to life.